Hey designers, let's create this poster in Adobe Photoshop. Take a document. Now let's place an image here. Place. Let's flip it horizontal. Scale it up. Arrange it on the canvas. Create a new layer. Select green as your foreground color. Yellow as your background color. Now click and hold on Paint Bucket tool to see more options. Select Gradient tool. Apply linear gradient on the new layer. Change the blending mode to multiply. Let's place the mobile now. Place. We need to get rid of the white background. For that, take the magic wand tool. Select the white area. Press delete of backspace to delete it. Now select this shadow and delete it too. We need to separate this white screen from the mobile frame as well. Let's scale it up first. Now with the help of Magic Wand tool, select the white area. Right-click. Layer via cut. Now turn off the eye of the mobile frame. Let's place an image here. Select it again. Place. Flip it horizontal first. Now place it on the mobile screen. Lower the opacity to see if it looks fine. Now press Enter. Make a duplicate of this image. I'll rename it to Copied Layer. Now clip this image to the mobile screen. Right. Create clipping mask. We'll see that the image is clipped to the mobile screen. Turn on its eye again. Select this copied layer. Click on this layer mask icon by pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard. We'll make the hand visible now. Take the brush tool. Make sure white is selected as your foreground color. Now apply brush here to make the hand visible. I am doing it roughly here. Later we'll make the precise selection. Zoom it in. Now take the Quick Selection tool. Select the hand. After this, press Alt and click and drag your mouse on the areas that you want to deselect. Make sure the size of the brush small. After you're done with the selection, right-click. Select Inverse. Take the brush tool. Select black as your foreground color. Apply brush to the areas that you want to be erased. When you are done, press Ctrl D to deselect. Turn on the eye of mobile frame. Select these layer now. Link them. Now click on this group icon to move these layers in a group. Now select group. Press Ctrl T, rotate it a bit. OK. Create a new layer. Take the rectangular marquee tool. Draw a rectangle here. Fill it with yellow color. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Take the Type tool now. Click here to write. Decrease the font size. Write or paste your text here. Let's make the text size small. Adjust the size of the box as well. Select text layer. Go to blending options. Add outer glow effect. Add stroke too. I'll select black color for the stroke. Adjust size. Again, go to outer glow and adjust the color and values. OK. Duplicate this text layer. Also duplicate the box layer. Select both the duplicated layers, and with the help of downward arrow key move these layers downward. Change the text. Select these text layers and box layers and link them. Adjust their rotation and position. Let's add another text now. Take Type tool. Click and paste the text here. Let's decrease the paragraph spacing. Go to Characters. Decrease paragraph spacing. Adjust the position of the text. OK. Take the pen tool. Make sure shape is selected here. Fill as none and stroke white. Make a shape like this. Now duplicate it. Fill it horizontal and then vertical. Place it here. Now place this image. Scale it down and place it in the right bottom of the poster. And you are done. I hope you found the video helpful. Consider subscribing to my channel before you go. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up.